So, I just want to do a little video of a little supermarket that I use all the time. It's run by Non and Am. Non does all the cooking here. It's mid third week of June now. She's only just put the kitchen back together, and they do the most amazing food here. I just want to show the kitchen. So Non will cook here for you and make some absolutely tasty dishes. Just kind of like all the fresh fruit smoothies and what have you. It can get quite busy at night. Basically, it's just a little supermarket, and you put some tables outside. It's a family-run place. Herself and her husband, and I think they have a young daughter who's just sat there in the background. And her husband has a taxi. So when we come here, well, I personally come to Thailand quite a lot, and I come scuba diving here a lot. So this is one of the places where I like to come and eat. It's really, really cheap, and I don't mean but cheap and good, really good quality food. And the husband, if I'm stopping up and down too far away to walk up and down, her husband will take me there. He normally just runs me up and down the street for 100 baht. Just to give you an idea, anyone who knows the area, the Apsara or Memories Bar from here is around about 7 kilometers. It's a fair old drive up. It's way up there. He'll take you there for 300 baht, which is very, very nice. To give you an idea of its location, Dream Bar here, who do the 99 baht cocktails, is right next door. And it's opposite Khao Lak Grand City. Now, Khao Lak Grand City do have accommodation behind, and I think I will do a little accommodation tour of there at some point, because I've used that before when I've been scuba diving in the area. So, place has lots of little chairs, loads of places to stay. If you're lucky enough, you can grab the big fan, and this will blow at you. Don't dare light a cigarette near here, you will get shouted at. She's a bit bossy. She will shout at you. They've got loads and loads of cold drinks in here. It's not a 7-Eleven, it's a small family run place. So I'd rather use a little place like this than use a 7-Eleven. You've got your snacks, loads of water, beers. Not a massive place, it's only a small place. But I do like to use the small family-run places rather than big 7-Elevens, because it keeps the money in the right places rather than the big boys taking over all the time. So if you want coffee, tea, little pot noodly snacky type things, your lotions, and I'm going to show you something here that is super invaluable. So anyone who's been to Thailand will know these things are a must for the mosquitoes. But if you've got a room and you want to buy these coils, they're 20 baht. You get 10 coils inside, I think. Oh, 12 coils inside, it says. They're 20 baht, you light them, and they last for about 6-7 hours. And they will keep the mosquitoes away. So these bad boys are excellent. We've got a load of other drinks here. You've got your bits and bats, super glue and all that kind of stuff, your hair products. Toothpaste, toothbrushes, and all this kind of stuff here. And this lovely lady here, she's the chef. She makes some absolutely delicious food. So I'll leave you with that there. As I say, do come to this place. It's a lovely little place. The food is excellent. The food's on now. We are in third week in June. It's low season-ish a little bit, but if you like this kind of concept, please like and subscribe. I do ask permission, and she granted me permission to do this little video, and I'll leave you there. So please do like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.